Trump fires hundreds of FAA workers after deadly plane crash. Washington, D.C., February 18, 2025. President Donald Trump's administration has begun firing hundreds of Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) employees, including those responsible for radar, landing, and navigation maintenance. This decision comes just weeks after a deadly mid-air collision near Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, which claimed 67 lives. The firings have sparked major safety concerns, as aviation experts and unions warn that the FAA workforce is already understaffed. Many believe this move could jeopardize national air traffic safety at a time when the agency is struggling to manage increasing flight demands. DOGE team to visit FAA headquarters. Adding to the controversy, the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, a government advisory group led by billionaire Elon Musk, is set to visit FAA headquarters today. The panel aims to review federal data and recommend cost-cutting measures. Critics argue this could lead to further layoffs and potential privatization of air traffic control systems. Criticism and safety concerns. The firings have drawn backlash from lawmakers, unions, and aviation professionals. Union leaders warn that the FAA workforce is already stretched thin, with many positions left unfilled due to past budget cuts and retirements. Aviation safety experts argue that reducing FAA staff could increase flight delays, technical failures, and safety risks. Democrats and some Republicans have spoken against the move, questioning its timing after a recent aviation disaster. Despite concerns, Trump supporters argue that these firings are necessary to eliminate inefficiencies and reduce government spending. The administration insists that air travel will not be affected and that new reforms will improve operations. What's next? As the DOGE team prepares to assess FAA operations, many are watching to see whether these changes will streamline government operations or compromise aviation safety. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.